Thank you so much for a wonderful course. So I have been, I tell you, I didn't want to miss a single lecture. So I myself have been a meditator and I'm also a facilitator with the Art of Living. So I take my courses. We have the Sudarshan Kriya and Pranayama. So I don't have to look beyond that actually. So I don't know what happened. Sometimes there's some pull from the divine, maybe, where this intuitive power works. But still, you sometimes just, I don't know what, I was surprised myself that how did I even register for the course? So, and then I really liked it. So my daughter was just joking with me. She said, "Oh, you got into something new." I said, "It's so interesting." I don't know. I also guide people, with their problem, help them out whenever they want with different meditation. We have different techniques of pranayama, which heals people, So I've seen, and I like that helping people. We take it up as a seva. So I enjoy that work so much. So I found that common thing with you also, such a helpful, kind person. I resonate with you so much. You're that 100% of a person who gives 100%. So I'm also 100% who always likes to give. So, and somehow when I got onto this course, I was very curious about knowing what it is because many times I've listened to people saying the tarot cards and, I've not heard any of the other things, but mostly the tarot cards or whatever. So it was that just wanting to know what it is. But really, this is something which was beyond my imagination and you taught us so well. You took all our questions so patiently, So a lot of patience is required to answer every question and sitting beyond your time. So really hats off to you, your dedication, commitment, and sincerely a very wonderful course. And I didn't know it was going to be so easy. It's like, I feel, maybe it's not, but I feel, yeah, yes, even I can do this. Maybe, help people with my, whatever little bit of my intuition and meditation. So God bless you with more such good work, helping people, making them think positively. So that's one thing I really liked, which you kept saying, only positive, nothing else should come in your mind. So that's one thing which I would say, I would definitely probably guide people to you, like where you can probably help them with their personal concerns because we might need your help for that, So that's what I said. So some people are having problems there, but still not able to come out of it because maybe they need an angel or someone where they can confide, more than that. So people who have seen going in depression. So maybe I think I could probably refer them to you if that's possible. So we'll thanks once again for all your valuable time. Taking an extra lecture also today. That's really kind of you. Thank you so much. I would really like to know more, maybe in the future if it got help, it's going to be possible. Definitely. Let's see how it works for me. Thank you so much.